Many of us with ties to the muscle car era may remember those full page factory magazine advertisements that sparked our interest throughout the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Did you save the one that drove you to get on down to the showroom? If you did, you may have had it framed and it's hanging in your showroom right next to your collector car. If you didn't, it's not too late. Technology advances have made it possible for you to have an exact copy of your favorite advertisement, just as it was seen in the magazines decades ago. Many of these factory advertisements that complement your car, or maybe a car owned by a collector you know, are available now with fine clarity and in high resolution for you to download and print. It's simple. You choose the image from our selection, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You will then be given a code that will permit you to download your advertisement as a file onto your computer. You can then direct your printer to print any size from a business card or announcement to a poster. Once a file on your computer, it's yours to print as many copies as you want. It doesn't matter if the ad is in color or black and white, one page or two. Your cost for any copy from our originals is just $10 each. Thank you. Today I relive some of those great memories every time I fire up the engine in my vintage fuel dragster at what we call Tackle Fest. Stay tuned for what's new.